first of all, I want to thank Mary Ellen for being our demo paddler here. She doesn't know it, but she's doing a phenomenal job. Mary Ellen here is going to present us a ferry across the river. Let's look at her angle. So she's cruising across the river. She is using a very upstream angle to cross. And this can be a good thing because it's going to help her stay within the current, not get pushed downriver. However, if you notice, she might be working a little bit too hard in a couple places where the current is a little bit slower and she is paddling upstream, almost upriver a little bit with her ferry. The great thing about this ferry though is as she approaches the eddy line, she's going to go ahead and open her angle towards the eddy. As she does this, she's going to accelerate a little bit with the current, and as she crosses the eddy line, she's almost perpendicular to the eddy line.